Happy Sunday and greetings from the workshop on this glorious spring day. What you see in front of you is a very nearly finished 2005 BMW K1200GT. This particular bike was VIP71. We have all the fleet details, and in a series of amazing coincidences, some rather remarkable stuff has turned up. A trip up to the Central Coast this last weekend resulted in a benefactor donating this bar, which is unique to these VIP bikes because it contains the antenna mounts for VHF and UHF antenna. It also contains the charger connection for a Pro Laser 2 LiDAR and the quick connect for the rear pole light. So all of that is unique to this bike. In addition to this, we'll wander up to the front. All of this, so UHF antenna, UHF handset, VHF handset, Ballinger SDS speed detection speedo, so that's a digital speedo with the New South Wales Police stamp, and as if that's not freaky enough, you can see on the back, New South Wales 474503. So this one, it could have been in use with this particular bike. Anyway, the bike is together. The next bit of weirdness is the bracket that goes under here to support the flag has also been located and is on the way from the Central Coast of all places. This bike is now nearly complete. If we look up inside here, we've got a couple of radios to fit. Hook up some final wiring. The Ballinger speedo head is just in place, so that's where it will go, but it's not working just yet. That has to go to a pickup in the wiring harness down here. We don't do any of that. That's done by a qualified electrician. And generally just a quick tidy up. So up here somewhere will be a helmet connector. I believe it sits just under here. There's a few other things, but we're very, very close to being finished with the bike. So I just thought, also this push to talk was in the same box, so this is correct for this bike as well. I just thought I'd show you how far we got. So this is the bit that everybody wants to see. Lights on. Now that's your master light control, so we'll just flick that on. And if I stand very still and face this way, you should be able to see all three lights going now. There we go. So those are all working. If I toggle this forward, we just get the front lights only. You'll probably see that again if I stand still. If I toggle it all the way back, we just get the rear pole light. I don't know if you can see that, hopefully you can. So that's all working. And again, just to the middle, and you get front lights and rear light. So we'll turn that off before we kill the battery, and then of course the bit that everybody else wants to see is, well, does the siren work? Well, certainly does. I won't piss the neighbors off any more than that, but she's all back to running. This one goes off on Monday, tomorrow, and it's going to get the full service, going to BMW main dealer for a lot of love and attention. And when it comes back, it will get the VIP flag that goes just in the front there. It'll have both radios fitted on the back, and we'll have the helmet connection just up here and underneath the fairing. So whoever rides it, and it will be an officer, current New South Wales Police motorcycle officer, whoever rides it will have all the same stuff that they had back in the day, and it will all be operational. Anyway, there you go. I'm very pleased. It's been something of an amazing series of pieces of good luck. The bike looks absolutely fantastic. We're just hunting for pictures of this particular bike now. So if you know anybody that was in New South Wales Police from 2005 to 2007 and was in the VIP squad, we've got your bike. VIP71 nearly back to service. Stay safe, everybody, laugh a lot, and we'll be back with some more updates soon. Cheers!